So, Charlie, I come across a lot of business owners who don't seem to have any idea of their legal obligations. Now, I'm sure you come across that. Can you tell us a little bit about the legal obligations
Sure.
businesses face?
Yeah, look, Mark, I feel for business owners. There's many legal obligations upon them, be it as a director of a company or as a partner in a partnership, as an employer, as an occupier pursuant to a lease, as a trader, the consumer laws, etc., as a taxpayer, and particularly say around tax, the legal obligations can be often complex. So for any one person to know all those obligations themselves, it's probably impossible to do so. And that's where they should draw upon a good selection of professional advisors to help them understand and comply with those legal obligations. Very, very important. It comes back to prevention as well. If you are well advised, you're more likely to prevent problems as opposed to breaching those legal obligations, which might result in all sorts of consequences for you.
And as part of knowing that legal obligations, especially when it comes to structuring your business, if you're starting out, or we find that some businesses are not structured the right way to start with, can you tell us about getting a bit of advice before getting your structure in place?
Look, the structure is absolutely crucial, and I often see people who are not structured correctly. And by structure, I mean, will they trade as a sole proprietor, partnership, via a company, trust, that sort of discussion. It is crucial that they get legal and accounting advice about that very early on. It can be very costly to restructure a business, and also if you're not structured correctly, you may have missed all sorts of planning opportunities, tax opportunities, legitimate tax opportunities, exposed yourself to all sorts of risks that you could have sensibly avoided. I've had many cases in court where the risk has, or the consequences of bad structuring has had some disastrous fallout for individuals and families. Structuring is crucial. I would also urge people to obtain legal as well as accounting advice about their structuring.
Okay. So on that point, Charlie, about getting some advice about the structure, just consulting with professionals like your accountants and insurance brokers and